Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Jeep Gladiator front seat. First, ensure you have the right tools, including an E12 e-torque socket and a trim removal tool. Safety is paramount, so disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery before you begin. Once prepared, slide the seat all the way forward to expose the rear mounting bolts. This initial step provides crucial access for the next stages of removal. Now, with the seat moved forward, use your E12 e-torque socket to remove the two bolts located at the rear of the seat rails. After these are out, gently tilt the entire seat backward to reveal the various electrical connectors beneath. Take your time to identify and disconnect each harness by pressing its release tab. There are typically several, including those for airbags and seat adjustments, so be thorough. Next, slide the seat completely backward to uncover the two remaining E12 e-torques mounting bolts at the front. Remove these bolts, making sure to keep all hardware organized for reinstallation. With all four bolts and electrical connections detached, the seat is now free. Carefully lift the entire seat out of your Jeep Gladiator, being mindful of the door frame and any interior trim to prevent scratches or damage. To reinstall your front seat, simply reverse the removal process. Carefully place the seat back into position, align the mounting holes, and hand tighten all four E12 e-torques bolts before fully securing them. Reconnect every electrical harness until each one clicks into place, then reconnect your battery. Double-check all connections and bolt tightness for safety. For more great deals and the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.